to Love Sugar and Spices. It's Jasmine, and this channel is all about food delicious things. Today we're having a lovely cup of tea together. I'm joking, we're making really refreshing iced teas. I have 3 flavors for you. First one is my love tea. It's with raspberries, vanilla, and rhubarb. The second one is my sunny detox tea. It has lots of citrus fruits. It has fennel and it has passion fruit. The third one is tropical flower. It has the jasmine flower tea and pineapple inside this lovely tasty iced tea. So if you like this iced tea's recipe, give a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and let's get started. We're starting with the love tea. Chop the rhubarb and add the rhubarb with the raspberry into a bowl. Then we're adding our lovely green tea bags and pour our boiling water over the fresh fruits and the tea bags. Let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. Then take the tea bags out and give the tea a stir. Add the agave nectar to it and stir the tea again. Let it steep for another 10 minutes. Strain the tea, make sure you get all the juice out of the pulp. Chill in the fridge till you're ready to use and serve with ice. For the sunny detox tea, slice up all the citrus fruits. The oranges, the lemon, the lime, the grapefruit. Slice the ginger as well. Cut the granadilla in half. In a bowl, add your fennel tea bags. Pour boiling water over them and add the lemon balm. Stir the tea for a second. Add your citrus fruits into the tea, the ginger and the granadilla. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Add agave nectar to your tea. Give it a quick stir and let it steep for another 10 minutes. Then strain the tea and let it chill in the fridge to ready to use over ice. For the tropical flower tea, cut the top and the bottom of the pineapple off. Then cut the rind of the pineapple off as well. I love the smell of pineapple. Add the rind into a pot with the jasmine blossoms. Fill the pot up with the water. Then add the raw sugar into the tea. Soft boil it for about 30 minutes. It smells delicious. Strain the tea into a blender. Be careful, it's very hot. Then add our fresh chunks of pineapple into the tea. Then start blending until everything is really smooth and we have no chunks of pineapple anymore. Strain the tea and get all the juice out of the leftover pulp. So we have a lovely tropical flower tea with pineapple and jasmine blossoms. Chill and then serve over ice. This is so delicious and looks so pretty. Fill it up in pretty jars and enjoy. Thanks for watching.